We've decided for today's project we're going to try to build a basic fence using some scrap wood around our planter box. So we're going to dig a second planter box over there, and we've marked out the spacing we'd like, and we're going to try to make a fence kind of along this line here, and we're going to reuse an old gate. So yeah, we're going to get into that. Okay, we've got lots of reclaimed wood from our pallets. So we've got these 4x4 posts. We're gonna cut the ends and make a point with the circular saw to use as posts for our fence. Yep, that is hacked, but it's gonna do the job. Just need to make a point to drive that into the ground. So yeah, you think give it a few more whacks?
I think so.
Hopefully we don't split it.
Well, it's split, but we haven't split it too far yet.
So. Okay.
Let's give it a go.
Let's give it a go. Alright, a few more whacks. I think we're done.
Yeah, you want to.
We'll be able to cut that off and it'll be okay.
Yeah. We make the post just a little bit higher than that. You
Sure.
put a post cap on it, we can make it look pretty.
I figured we were going to run our support piece from there across to the top. Screw it down.
No, I only have the mesh that I have is only a certain height.
Okay.
So we should keep it
Below that.
at the mesh height for that top piece.
Yeah.
And then the post, because that's going to be more like here.
Okay, so the fencing is going to go there.
Yeah, the fencing
And then the
height
gate's going to go off
is
the
about this.
up there.
Yeah, and the gate's that tall,
Gotcha.
unfortunately.
Yeah, that's
Comes
just how
from
it works
being
with
used free what you
reclaimed
have.
junk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to
Okay, so I've got hose clamps, tool. I'm gonna zip these on here like this, and the hope is they'll keep this pinched together, keep it from splitting apart when we're smacking it with the sledge. Beautiful.
Better, oh yeah. Before you, I was just a shell, so stuck in
Look at that. Hey, can't tell me that didn't work.
And we're 10 inches further into the ground.
Yep. Worked out way better than our last post. Alright, we're gonna strip this one here apart. We're gonna steal these 2x4 pieces right there to start making more posts.
Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. We got something good.
Okay, we've got our string line set up, so we know that that is straight from this post to that fence post. And now we're gonna hammer all of these in, and then I think we're just gonna staple the fence to the posts. Alright, so now the plan is to take a bunch of these pieces here, alright, and go along piece by piece and kind of tack them in.
And then we're going to knock these down the rest of the way or cut them off, so that we put a top rail along the top to give support with this, as well as to tie in all the posts to sort of keep them more aligned.
Sounds like a plan. Okay, so I pulled out the nailer, and this particular nail gun, pneumatic nail gun, also does staples. So we're gonna run a set of staples in here, there, like this, right? And we're hoping that'll tack in the fence to our posts. That's the plan anyways. Oh. Next post is in. Made with all reclaimed stuff. Even the screws. All those old reclaimed screws, brackets and things, they're all reclaimed. Gate, all the fencing. The only thing that I guess we didn't have that wasn't reclaimed was the staples we used to staple the fencing with the pneumatic stapler. But that's it. So that's the garden fence practically done. We're gonna cut these off and maybe put a cap or something on them, and then top rail on the fence. But otherwise, the fence is finished, looking great, and all for free, all reclaimed stuff.